Hey guys, it's Joseph Master 120 here with another video. I heard that the National Weather Service said that there will be a thunderstorm watch in Gardena, California, which is Los Angeles. It does I live there, and thus we have a emergency. It does the thunderstorm is gonna be at 2 a.m. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not that scared, but my dad's gonna sleep here, me, but we're on PBS Kids station. I don't know, like, I don't think I will see the rain, but look it's raining. Are you guys see? Well, as you guys see, but I don't think well, the rain is gonna go very hard. It's gonna be heavy rain on the midnight. Oh, there goes. We're on emergency. We got it on TV. As you guys see, that I live in Los Angeles, which is like Oxnard. You guys here, look.
The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a severe thunderstorm.
I knew it. Oh, there's Los Angeles.
Los Angeles County in southwest.
I knew I lived in Los Angeles. Oh my god, man. It's gonna rain super hard at midnight. I'm gonna sleep here with my dad and me. My sister with my mom. It does like I'm home. They went for a party, but me and my dad were just chilling here. With the rain, man. Oh my god.
Indicated some weak rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a
Tornado? I don't think so. It's still a thunderstorm. It was supposed to be a watch, but it was a warning. There was like an Amber Alert right there in my iPad. Oh. Oh my god. As you guys see, but there we go, we're back. I knew it, guys. A thunderstorm warning is literally coming at midnight. But it's 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time in Los Angeles, but I heard that like 2 a.m., which is midnight, it's gonna rain super hard. Oh my god, I wish it doesn't leak, but I have pets outside, so the good thing we have a roof outside, which they don't get wet and get cold. But you guys watching, man, I'll give you updated. It's gonna rain. Yes, it's gonna rain today, tomorrow, and on Monday. As you guys see. You guys watching, or do you like comment?